At first glance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't look revolutionary. It's still small, still pocket-sized, still built around simplicity. But one new accessory has quietly changed the entire conversation, and it raises much bigger questions about where DJI is taking this product line. Recent leaks and certifications point to a new modular expansion accessory, likely connected through the rear or bottom port. On paper, it looks simple, but what it enables is not. This accessory is rumored to add advanced wireless connectivity, external audio expansion, and enhanced control options, essentially turning the Osmo Pocket 4 from a casual vlogging camera into a modular creator tool. And that's the key shift. Until now, the Osmo Pocket was designed as a grab-and-go camera. No rigs, no cages, no complexity, but this new accessory suggests DJI is blurring the line between action camera, gimbal camera, and compact cinema tool. Why does that matter? Because creators want flexibility without bulk. If the Pocket 4 can support better microphones, live monitoring, faster wireless transfers, and even external displays, all through accessories, it suddenly replaces multiple devices in a creator's bag. It also hints at something bigger, future-proofing. Instead of releasing a new Pocket every year with minor upgrades, DJI may be moving toward a platform approach, where accessories unlock new capabilities over time. That's a big deal. It means the Pocket 4 might not just be a camera you buy, but a system you build around. Of course, this also raises concerns. Will accessories be expensive? Will features be locked behind add-ons? And does modularity sacrifice the simplicity people love? Those are the questions DJI hasn't answered yet. But one thing is clear. This accessory isn't just an extra. It's a signal. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't staying small in ambition, only in size. And that changes everything.